Okay, it's part two. So some more soaps and splashes from Noble Otter. This is the Lone Star. And once again, unused. And this is one I don't know really anything about. I know a bit about Noble Otter. I've seen quite a few shavers use it here, both in the States and Australia. Valentinka Holy Core. Well, I suppose that's how it's pronounced. And inside. Once again, I won't comment on the scent because my nose is shot at the moment. Oh yeah. Let's unwrap this. And more of my most favourite vintage razor. Not sure where these ones were made, because they were made in a few different places, but nonetheless the ones I've got that I really like are made in Holland, so I suppose we'll know on the blade. Let's just put them there. This here is interesting. It is broken, unfortunately. I don't know if this was in transit or not. I'll soon find out. This is in transit, apparently. Damn it. It was a box that held, that housed razor blades for sale. It's a Gillette. Yeah, this has been damaged. Damn it. I'll try my best to glue this one back together so you can see Gillette. So the theory is that this housed, it was like a gift, an early gift, and this would have housed packs of Gillette razor blades. Rightio. And here's another one. Sterling Soap Co. So I haven't had any Sterling Soap Co. So, and the reputation is really good apparently. Hasn't been used by the looks. So that's another soap and splash I'll be keen to get into and try out. I got lucky on that site, won a few things. Let's end with this one. Well, you know it's a Gillette Traveller. Let me just give you the impact. I'm going to open it up and I'll turn this around. Look at that. Oh, it's a Bulldog. My God, this is beautiful. So, no idea who GH was, but thank you, GH. God, it doesn't look like he used it very often at all. Now the lighting here is, let's get that. This is beautiful. Notice, we'll show it on the tubes. Let's have a look underneath this. I doubt this razor was used very often. What What I need to do is find one that had inscribed in my initials. DW. Look at that. That's a bit of soap residue there. That looks like it's only just been used once. The case is in really, really good condition. Oops, open up. Oh, this didn't quite go underneath as it should. Come on, out you get. So the interesting thing here is how it's frosted. And just this bit here was polished. That is beautiful. Let's put this ribbon across. There's nothing in there either, unfortunately. But there's something in here, and it's a brush. Beautiful. There we go. It'd be nice if there was a soap. See a bit of residue from the brush when it was once used. Magnificent. What a beautiful razor. The Bulldog is an extremely efficient razor. Trust me, it's very keen. But a nice razor to shave with. Beautiful. Okay, thank you for sticking around, and we'll see you in the next video.